Hi guys, Max from Metro. I've got something else to show you which is actually in stock now. This is the 48 scale Airfix Bristol Bulldog. This kit is a wanted kit for the 30s and or the mid between war type modelers. It's been wanted for a long time. This is a really old 50s impact come merit kit come whatever. It's a really old kit, so you just ignore it now. It's not worth it. This is absolutely superb. It's, as I said, it's just come in. It's in store at the present time. So let's have a look at it. So guys, this is, as I said, this is the 48 scale Bristol Bulldog. Okay, this is in the Airfix's new dark plastic or darker plastic. So let's have a look in the bag and see what we've actually got in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprues and some clear parts, which is for the little canopy. Now this is the wing set. So you've got uppers and lowers in this. The detail on it is really nice. There's just a hint of the ribbing and scalloping in the wings. So yeah, it's just really nicely done. Just if you have a good look there, you can just make out the ribbing, and it's really nicely done. All the strut detail where the struts are going to go in have got all the little paddings and things like that. So just superb. So that's that bit. What else have we got? This looks to be, oh, this is all cockpit parts and wing strut parts, a little bit of engine detail, things like that. So that's pretty cool. This is the cylinders for the engine. So have fun with that. Fitting all them in, they'll be pretty cool. So they're beautifully molded. The detail on them is just superb. So painting them up will be really quite something to see. What else have we got? And then this is the fuselage. The fuselage has got detail inside, so it'll come up, as well as though it's got all this framing for the interior of the cockpit, tailplane, propeller, all very nicely done. Look at the effect on the fuselage for the fabric covering on the rear fuselage. It's just lovely. It's subtle, but you can actually feel that there's the shape to it. So that's really well done. Again, really nice. This is all your engine parts again. This is all to build up the engine. So just superb. The only thing I've seen so far is that people have commented that there's almost more work in putting the engine together than there is for the rest of the kit. So just take your time. It's quite complex because it's a quite obvious feature of the Bulldog. And as I said, there's the little clear parts. As for markings and stuff, now again, Airfix is really looking after the Australian modeler these days because they've done the right thing by us. This is the markings for the Australian one, A12-1. We had 12 of these. I think they were either donated or given to us or something or other, or bought, whatever. But the RAAF had, I think, 12 of them, and this is A12-1. So again, thanks Airfix, looking after the Australian modeler. Let's see how the instructions look. As you'd expect in any circumstance with Airfix, just nicely done, usual style. I love this new style that they do. It's all very clean, very straightforward, tells you exactly what you want to do. They even give you, I think it's at the back here somewhere, the rigging diagram. Now they don't give you the rigging material, you've got to supply that yourself, but there's all a rigging diagram for doing it all and setting it up the way to do it. So there's tails and wheel structures and all sorts of things. So it's really well thought out. Again, there's almost 4 pages of just how to rig it, so that's pretty cool. And then we get to the colour schemes. So you've got Royal Air Force one. Actually, there's 2 Royal Air Force ones, so that's pretty cool. But the important one to the Australian modeler is that one. And again, as I said, 48 scale, just lovely. As the Airfix did do this in 72nd scale many centuries ago, or years ago. But to have a really state-of-the-art 48 scale one is really cool. So there it is, guys. This is the new Bristol Bulldog 48 scale from Airfix. Just a lovely kit. You'll really enjoy it. Engine, yeah, take your time. You'll get it done. These are in stock now in both our CBD store and our Box Hill store, and also online. So if you want to just drop in and have a look at one, please do. If you want to pick up one up, which I prefer you do, then come and see us. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and enjoy your modelling.